What's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome! It's Melitta, and in today's video I thought that it would be fun if I would show you guys how to create big luscious lashes without using falsies. Yeah, so recently I actually finished my first course on makeup. And one of the last exams I had to do were on eyelashes, and I got very excited about it, and I learned some quite new and quite nice tricks, and I thought that it would be fun if I would share with you guys at least just one little trick that I learned, and that is how to get those lashes bigger and more voluminous. So if you are interested, keep on watching. I actually feel naked AF, to be honest. So here is like I have a full face on and just no mascara. I didn't do like I didn't go big on my eyes because I wanted to show, like, you know, give more attention to the lashes that I'm lack of right now. So first things first, what you will be needing is, let me get everything. So what you will be needing is an eyelash curler. Any kind of eyelash curler is good. I think they are pretty much all the same. Do I look crazy right now? Yes, I do. Oh yes, I do. Okay, never mind. Don't worry about my hair. So you will be needing an eyelash curler, a pencil sharpener, because you will be needing a kohl pencil. I'm using a kohl pencil, and you have to make sure that it's sharp. So you will be needing a lengthening mascara, a volumizing mascara, and if you want, a waterproof one, just as like a raincoat on your lashes, but it's not that necessary, but I'm gonna use it today. And if you want, you can use an eyeliner as last step, but that's also not that necessary. So now we got my hair out of my face, and we're gonna sharpen the kohl pencil. And this is going to be weird. I am going to zoom you guys in. So you have to color the upper lash line like the waterline inside. I know it is weird, but you can do it, trust me. So what I'm doing is, I hope you guys actually do see what I'm doing, is you have to, like, you know, keep your mirror like down and like this to be under your eyes. And just start coloring in your upper waterline. You can already see some difference. Like here it actually looks like I have a little bit more volume, while it's literally only just darkening the waterline, but it already creates a little more, you know, I don't know how to explain myself. It already gives more attention to the lash parts. So I'm only gonna do one of my eyes so you guys can see the difference. Now that you are done with the first part, you're gonna go ahead and use the eyelash curler. So what you want to do with it is curl your lashes so they will be nice, curly and pointing upwards, because my lashes are pointing forward, so that's quite weird. But you have to curl your lashes in three steps. So first you're gonna start with the middle part. Now look, you have to keep your mirror straight in front of you, not up, not down, no, straight. You look straight ahead in front of you, and you start with the middle part. You give it 3, I don't know, pushes, or how they call it. Okay, now you're gonna go to the inner part and do the same. And to make sure that the outer corner is, you do a little bit like this. Give it 3 pushes. And there you go. Now that we curled everything upwards, we're gonna grab the lengthening mascara. This actually says extreme volume and curl, but it actually just gives like, you know, like makes them a little bit longer. So if you want to, you know, do good lashes, make sure that you work with the right mascaras. Now, your mascara has to be new. Like, don't use not dried out mascara, throw it away. Throw it the fuck away. The moment you don't hear nothing, like here you can still hear you hear it? That. So if you don't hear that anymore, throw it away. The mascara is no good. You're not gonna create the lashes you want. Okay, another thing with your mascaras, don't start doing them like up, down and everything. No. No, this is just gonna make sure that there is more air goes into that little bottle and it's just gonna dry out the whole thing, so don't do that. So there are many ways and many gadgets that you can use to not smudge the mascara all over your eyelids. I have this little thingy from Essence. Sometimes I use it, sometimes not. You have to just like this and then curl or do the mascara on. I'm not going to use it right now, but it's not that difficult. You just do literally like this and it will be protecting your makeup or your eyelids. But there is an also very easy and very good way not to smudge it all over. So make sure that you clean the mascara and the waste off. Then grab your mirror like this and look down. Make sure that your eyes are wide fucking open, alright? And make sure that you get every last lash, like, you know, don't be greedy with the product, ladies, not with mascara. So, and then you just start brushing upwards. Make sure that you do some zigzaggy movements as well, so the mascara can get everywhere as it's supposed to. La 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 la. Here the outer lashes as well. Now another very, very important thing is when it comes to your mascara application, wait for that damn product to dry. Because I see so many girls just keep on like putting it on, like why the fuck do you do that? Don't do that, don't. Wait for it, give it a minute or two to dry, to set on your lashes, you know, to do its magic, and then you can put on the second coat if it's necessary. It's not always necessary if you do it right, but because I want to create like crazy awesome lashes today, we're gonna do a second coat of the lengthening lashes as soon as it dries. So make sure that you use the brush to brush those lashes, because if they are like clinging together, then you will look like a spider, and that's not okay, you know. So brush, zigzag, brush. That's how it works. Okay, I think now you can already see a little bit of difference. Now we're gonna let it set, and then we're gonna go in with the Lash Princess mascaras from Essence, because I know everybody loves it. By the way, all the mascaras I'm using are from Essence, so I just also want to prove you don't need to have an expensive high-end product to create something awesome. So this is, I think, €2.99, this is €3.89, and this is also around €2, €3. So you know what I mean. So now again, the same, you clean it. By the way, it's new, it's like brand new. I love it. I love new mascara. And then same mirror in the same position, and you're gonna start brushing it and zigzagging just the exact same way how you did it before. Now, from this I'm only gonna apply one coat because this is still a crazy volumizing mascara. This is the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara Waterproof. Now, about mascaras, I'm not a huge fan of waterproof mascaras, but if you will have a long day ahead and you want your lashes to last, use a waterproof mascara as a last step, as a raincoat. Because the problem with waterproof mascara is that they can dry the hell out of your lashes, unfortunately. But as a coat already on some not waterproof product, it can do some magic. So I'm not dry yet though. By the way, the difference is shocking, huh? So, and this is also a new mascara, and I love the brush of it. It's like so old school, no? So what you're gonna do is the exact same thing that I have repeated before. So difficult. I'm gonna let it set because I'm gonna bring on the last coat from this one still, and there you pretty much go. And ta-da-da-da! My lashes feel huge and heavy though, so it does make them a little heavy because there is like a lot of product. Also, if your lashes stick together, make sure that you separate them, or with your nails, or you can use a pincet. I'm just gonna do it with my nail. There you go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use a tiny little bit of eyeliner. There you have it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my other eyes so I don't look like that crazy, and I will be right back. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit that notification button as well. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed today's Broke Bitch series, because when I learned this little trick, so-called, or like actually this is not a trick, this is how you get big lashes without the whole fake lashes thingy. Although gluing on falsies, it is a bit more easy, I think. But if you can't afford nice, good quality falsies, or you are on just a real tight budget, I definitely recommend you checking out Essence mascaras, because they None of them cost over €5. I think the most expensive one are the Lash Princess ones, and they are about €3.89. I know that no, they are not €4. So, you know, if you want something really cool, awesome, then get 2 good mascaras. As I said, it doesn't have to be expensive, and get to work. It will literally take you approximately 10 minutes out of your day. And an eyelash curler is also something that, here it is. So this little eyelash curler, you can get it even in a dollar store or a euro shop for €1. They are all the fucking same. I'm serious, they are all the same. Now, I also know that a lot of people talk about, you know, with a blow dryer heating it up. I don't have a blow dryer. I don't own a blow dryer. I don't even blow dry my hair. I always let dry my hair. As you guys can see, it's wet right now because I just came out of the shower. I mean, like, not just now, before I put my makeup on. So that's why I don't do it, and I'm very scared that, I don't know, I'm gonna burn my eyes out. But on the other hand, I was already scared to rip my eyes out with this, and it didn't happen up until now. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? What the fuck is wrong with me? Okay, so I think that's enough blabbering for today. I wish you guys a beautiful, beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys will get to work with some mascaras. I will link the Essence mascaras I used down below in the description box, so you can check it out for yourself. And, you know, keep on growing, keep on glowing, and keep on budgeting. I love you guys. Kisses till the next time.